In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your posterized image and save it to our shared drive, our Art1 drive. So I've done all the adjustments to my image, and now I'm going to go up here to where it says Untitled Document, and I want to name this my name, okay? Sometimes I won't recognize your image because either it's so posterized or it's you without a mask or it's you with a mask. Anyway, we want to make sure and put your name in the Untitled Document up here. Next, you're going to click on this folder that says My Drive. Simply click on it. And then we want to find the shared drive. So you want to click on this arrow that says Back, Shared Drives. I click on it and then I go over to the arrow and click on that again. You should have a shared drive that says Best Art1 Students. I've added your names to it. If you do not, just email me or tell me in class that you're not on there and I will make sure that you are. So you're going to click that. You're going to click the arrow. Find your block. I'm going to say I'm in block 8, okay? And I'm going to click the arrow. It's going to show me the other people that are also in that file. And I don't really care about that. I just want to save my document in the file. So I'm going to click Move here, Move. And then up at the top it should give you a message that says, Jennifer Best, which is my document, has been moved from my drive to block 8 students. And I just click Dismiss. And that's how it's shared. Okay? So now I can print your document. And let's double check. Let's go up here. Double check. Here's my Best Art Students right here, and let's go to block 8 and make sure my photograph is there, and there it is right there. See, I've done this more than once. So anyway, as soon as you upload this, I will send it to the copy shop to be printed, and then I should have a printout for you. If you are someone who is remote, I can have that printout available for you in the office. You just have to let me know that you need me to print it for you, okay? All right, that's all you do. Thanks a lot.